It says $2,500. Not bad, right? $2,500 is pretty good. But it's actually not right. So can I have Secretary Stewart come up with the final number? The recipient of this award will receive $25,000. And the best part, the teacher can use it in any way he or she chooses. All right. Without further delay, we would like to announce the newest Milken Educator Award recipient. This is an educator who is characterized by dedication to students, who comes in every day and does the very best to demonstrate excellence in education, and is an exceptional individual. All right, drum roll, please. May I have the envelope? Our 2019 Milken Educator Award winner is Lacy Rivera.